Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to learn how to connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar using Zapier. This integration will help you automate the process of creating events in your Google Calendar from data in your Google Sheets, making it easier to manage your schedules and appointments. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, automating these two apps will give you so much advantages because one, you can ensure that your event data is always up to date, so any changes made in your Google Sheets right here will reflect real time in Google Calendar, and also vice versa. All right. And as we all know, Google Sheets is a versatile tool for data management, and Google Calendar, in the other hand, is a powerful scheduling and time management tool. So combining the two allows you to centralize your event data, making it easy to organize, update, and analyze. So you have control over how data from Google Sheets is mapped to Google Calendar, right? You can customize event details and formatting to meet your specific needs, ensuring that the events created on your calendar are accurate and informative. So how do we do with that? First, you're gonna open your account on Google Sheets or Google Calendar, and then hover to Zapier. All right, go to zapier.com/apps/Google right here. So we are going to integrate these two apps by clicking the orange button below right here. Okay, so our first action is obviously Google Calendar. That's our first action. That's what's gonna set for the trigger, and then the next event will be, if you can see plus sign here, that's our next event. So click on that and it will give you the option to connect your Google Sheets right here. So here, I assume that you already logged in both of your account for Google Calendar and Google Sheets. Make sure that your account using is correct. All right. So what will happen is you have to authenticate these two apps. And then after doing that, Google Sheets and Google Calendar are, of course, as we all know, are part of the Google Workspace ecosystem, making it easy to collaborate with team members who have access to Google Workspace. And this facilitates teamwork on event planning and scheduling. Whether you have a few events or a complex calendar with numerous entries, this integration can scale to handle your needs effectively. Google Sheets provides an additional backup of your event data, which can be valuable in case of data loss or for historical references. Now, in summary, guys, connecting Google Sheets to Google Calendar through Zapier simplifies events management, improves data accuracy, ensures that your calendar is always up to date. I believe it's a valuable solution for individuals, businesses, and teams looking to streamline their scheduling and event management processes. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.